As you already know, the cost of living is continuing to rise, and unemployment is a constant threat. The entire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say for 8 weeks, would you have enough money saved to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then you need a plan B, and you need to start building your own stream of monthly income now. We will show you how you could easily earn an extra $3,000 to $5,000 or more per month income in the matter of months, doing just part-time work, all from the comfort of your own home. Let me introduce you to our company called Wealth Step by Step. Wealth Step by Step is a worldwide business opportunity, and the cost to join as a member is just $28 to start, and then $28 per month products purchase. For your $28 monthly products purchase, you'll get their email autoresponder and customizable lead capture page. It is sure to capture leads and grow any business. Now, let's talk about money. Wealth Step by Step has a 3x7 forced matrix compensation pay structure, which means that with each new Wealth Step by Step member that joins the business, can only have 3 members on their front line. If a Wealth Step by Step member personally enrolls more than 3 new members into the business, those members will be considered spillover and will be placed in the next available position within your group of the Wealth Step by Step member that doesn't have their 3 members on their front line yet. This is true team building and a very powerful concept. Also, each new member that you personally enroll in the business will earn you a one-time $25 fast start bonus. Example, personally enroll just 5 new members into the business. Earn a total of $125 in fast start bonuses. Personally enroll just 25 new members into the business. Earn a total of $625 in fast start bonuses. You get the picture. You will also earn commission within your 3x7 matrix as new members join your team and pay their $28 monthly products purchase. How about the monthly payments on a brand new car or truck? Or how about paying the monthly mortgage payments on that dream home you have always wanted? Or maybe use the extra cash per month to pay off the balance of those high credit card debts. And just so you know, all commission earned will be paid by the 10th of the month for the previous month. You're probably wondering and thinking, how am I going to introduce others to the business opportunity? Simple. Just share this video presentation with others. Once your prospects see how simple the business opportunity is and how simple it will be to earn a life-changing income each and every month from home, they'll be ready to get signed up as a Wealth Step by Step member. You will never have to personally sell anything or explain the business opportunity to anyone. It just doesn't get any easier than this. So, if you are unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider the Wealth Step by Step business opportunity. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Get back with the person who have introduced you to this explosive business opportunity to get signed up as a Wealth Step by Step member today. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.